my nails done and just changed cars. There you go, there's Melissa. I'm going out with her to get her nails done. Yep. I forgot to update you guys before I left the house, but yep, I'm going to update you more later. See ya! The weather is so bad today, but it's just whatever. But do you know where we're going?
Posh Salon.
Where?
The Posh Salon.
Okay, the Posh Salon. So we're on our way to Belmer. See you guys there. Okay, so we just got here. We just parked the car, but it feels like we went to the wrong place. Oh my gosh, this is the stupidest thing I've done. I know it's snowing, but I even forgot my hoodie. So yeah, there's snow all over my hair. Oh my gosh. So we're not even here.
That's the most annoying thing I've ever done.
I know, right? So we're back in the car, and now we're gonna have to find the real place.
We went to the wrong place.
Because we went to the wrong place, unfortunately, but yep. I hope we're just here somewhere. I hope the place is just here somewhere.
It says we're going away from it. What is going on?
It might be there, like in the other.
It might be. I'm just gonna turn around.
Okay. This is so annoying.
This is why I hate going places. I have no idea where I'm going.
I know, right?
What are you doing, you fucking idiot?
Okay, so we are at 801 room right now. We're supposed to go to 800.
Oh, there it is. Found
Oh,
it.
there you go.
Found it. Do they do
Yep,
nails
found
there?
it.
That's my question.
Yep. What? So we're on our way to the real place, and I hope it really is, because it's really cold out here, and we're just walking without my hoodie. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Is it this one? No. Oh, snow all over my face. Where is it? So I guess we're already here. Please use the front entrance. Yep, this is the Posh Nail Salon.
It doesn't look like they do nails here.
We're here. So we're just about to pick nail color.
I don't know what kind of color I want.
So we already started my nails. Okay, so we're back in the car. There you go. Hi, Melissa. And we just got our nails done. Let me see your nails. There you go. It's so pretty. Look at that. And right now we're waiting here in the car for like, I've been waiting for how long now?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes now, and we are so starving. We haven't ate anything yet. And we're planning to go to the mall and probably eat there at the Chinese food. And yeah, I guess, yeah.
Yeah. I guess, yeah.
Oh, and guys, the sun is out. Well, I guess not.
Not
I guess not anymore. At last, after an hour, we're on our way to the mall now. Well, actually, we're here in Wells Fargo right now to deposit check. It's Friday, so yeah. Oh yeah, I love it. I love the pink color. Yep, it's my favorite color. But yeah, we are in Wells Fargo right now. So we're just gonna be doing ATM drive-through. It's easier. Okay, so we're done here at the bank. We're on our way now to the mall and I can't wait because I'm so freaking hungry. I haven't eaten anything yet all day. Literally, I am starving. So we finally made it here at the mall and we are heading in to Primark right now, but we're going to eat first because like what I've said, I am so freaking starving. What's up? We got Chinese food. Yay. From Little Tokyo. I have to finish this because I haven't had anything in my system yet. So cheer me up, guys. Okay, I can't finish it anymore. So yeah, I give up.